Good day, everyone. Today, the exception that I chose is the lawful court order. This exception shows that our rights, like privacy, are important but not unlimited. Sometimes, the court needs to step in to make sure justice and fairness are served. This means that if the court sees that certain information is needed for truth or safety, it can legally require it. I realize that this exception balances individuals' right and society's need for justice. It reminds me that this right should not be over or abused to hide wrongdoings. Instead, they come with responsibilities. For example, in robbery cases, the court may order the store to provide the CCTV recordings. Even if the stores want to keep the security footage private, then it must comply with the lawful order. But be mindful that this exception cannot force itself because it will violate the person's privacy's right.